Hey y'all, and welcome to Beech Bliss. Let me show you how to work the television. One of the first things that I look for is the cable box power. You want to make sure that the power is on. If it is off, you can press the power button to get the cable to turn back on. The next part is I will look at the back of the television to make sure that the HDMI is properly plugged in. So we're going to go around the back here and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so this is the HDMI cable here. It is plugged into the HDMI cable too, and then it routes around to the cable box, and this is the HDMI plug here. So you want to make sure this is plugged in. You also want to make sure that the cable is plugged in, and then the last part is you want to make sure that the power is plugged in. So all three of those things need to be in for the television to work properly. All right, the next part is you want to locate the remote controls. This is the remote control for the cable, and this is the remote control for the television. We're going to take the television remote and turn on the television. So the little red dot down here went from red to black, and so that means that the television is on. That is the first step. With the television remote, you can also tune in to some of your favorite subscriptions that you may have, like Netflix or Disney Plus, and you can press those right here on the remote. And you can sign in to your Netflix account from here. To go back, you can press the home button on the remote, and it'll take you back to the home screen. With the arrows, you can move your options around on the screen. You want to choose the HDMI 2 and press the enter button to access the cable. And there is your cable channel. From the remote control, the cable remote control, you can go to the guide, and it'll pull up the channels. Then you can scroll down and press OK and pick the channel that you would like to view. So I hope this helps you with the television control and the cable control, but if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to send me a message. Have a great stay.